find the solution for CS pathshala worksheet. It is worksheet number 3 for standard 5th. It is given module is 04 LCR 01. So dear student, just observe the number of rows and columns. There are 6 number of rows and 6 number of columns are given here, but this puzzle is not divided into mini grid correctly. यहाँ पर अगर 6 rows and 6 columns है, means it is 6 by 6 puzzle. Then students, you need to divide into 2 by 3 or 3 by 2 mini grids. Means there will be total 6 mini grids. I have divided this puzzle into 2 by 3 mini grids. This 2 represent the number of rows in this mini grid and 3 represent the number of columns in this mini grid. There are 3 columns. Each mini grid has 2 rows and 3 columns. So now let's find the answer for this mini grid, number of columns and number of rows. Okay, so let's find the answer for this puzzle. Grid to be filled with the digits 1 to 6 such that each digit appears exactly once in each row, each column and each mini grid. हर एक मिनी ग्रिड में 1 से लेकर 6 तक नंबर्स ऐसे आने चाहिए कि कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं होगा. सेम फॉर नंबर रोज के लिए भी. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट वाले रोज हैं एंड वर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट्स कॉलम्स. ओके, सो here missing 1 and 6 is given in this column. 2, let's find the place for 2. We cannot write 2 because we are not sure where we need to write 2. 3 we cannot place here. Here also we cannot write 3. In this mini grid 3 already it is appear. Now let's find the place for 3 here in this mini grid and in this column. In this column 3 is already appear here, so we cannot write 3 again in this column. Here also we cannot write 3 in this column, so only one place is here. We can write 3 here. 3 we can write here. Let's find the place for 4. 4 is given here in this mini grid. We cannot write 4 again here. Here also, if you observe in this row 4 is already given, so we cannot write 4 again in this row, and in this column also we cannot write 4. So here only here we can write 4. 5 and 6 is already appeared there. Only 2 and 5. So here also 5 is present in this row, so 5 will be here and remaining place will be for 2. Here we will write 2. In this way first column is filled correctly. Now let's observe for here 6 and 5 is given. Here also 5 is given. Let's find the place for 1. For this mini grid we are not sure where we have to write 1. So let's check for this row. 1 is missing in this row. Here also 1 is given in second column. We cannot write 1 there. Here and here there are 2 possibilities. We are not sure where is the correct place for 1. Let's find for 5. So we cannot write 5 here and here also. In this row 5 is present in this column. We cannot write 5 here in this row. Again 5 is given in this column, so we cannot write 5 in this row here. In this column 5 is here, so we cannot write 5 here in this row. So only one place is here to write 5. We will write 5 here. Again 2 and 1 is missing, so let's find the place for 2. Here we cannot write 2. Only one place is there for 2 and remaining digit will be 1. Here we will write. Find in this mini grid there are only 2 numbers are missing, 1 and 2. So here we cannot write 1 because if we write 1 here it will appear 2 times in this column. So here we need to write 1. Remaining number 2 will be here. In this column we need to write 5. We need to find place for 5. Here and here we cannot write 5. Already 5 is present in this row. In fourth row and in third row and fourth row 5 is given. So we will write 5 here. And 2, let's find the place for 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Okay, we are not sure where we need to write 6. We will not write this. So let's find for this mini grid. Here 1 is missing. Here in this mini grid 1 is given. 1 cannot be placed here. Here and here. But here 1 is already appear in last row. So we will write 1 here. Now 3 and 6 is remain in this column. Let's find the place for 3 and 6. Here 6 we can write, and here, yes, here we cannot write 6 because it is already present in first row. So we will write 6 here. If you observe in this mini grid 6 is appear there. So 6 correct place will be this. Now which remain? 3 is remain. 3 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is remain in this mini grid. That will be here. This also you can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's find for this. For this mini grid 1 is remain. Let's find the place for 1 for this mini grid. 1 cannot be placed here and here. Already it is there in last column. So 1 can be placed here and here. No, 1 can be placed here only because it is appear in fourth row. If we will write here, it will appear 2 times, so it will wrong. That's why we'll write 1 here. Now which remain? 2, 3 and 6 is remain. So let's find the place for 2. 2 cannot be placed here. Already it is appear in last column. So we will write 2 here for this mini grid. Now let's find for 3. 3 cannot be placed here. We will write 3 here and remaining 6 will be here. Okay. 1, 2 is given. 3 remaining number will be 4 here. For this mini grid only one number is remain. 1, 2, 3 will be here. If you will find for this also, then also you will get correct answer. 1, 2, 3 remain, 4, 5, 6. Now let's find for this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is remain. Now let's find the number, missing number for third row. 1, 2 is missing here, so it will be here. Same for fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 will be here. Check the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way we got the solution for this puzzle. I hope you understood and try to solve the next puzzle which is given in worksheet number 3. Thank you dear student and all the best.